guys, Awkjellybean here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new to my channel, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I part my hair for protective styles such as box braids or Senegalese twists. And I did blow dry my hair last night. It's in the bonnet, so there's that. And I'm going to tell you what materials you'll need. So you're going to need a brush or a comb of some sort if you need to detangle your hair along the process, because I probably will need to rebrush it a couple times, and a clippy clip, and also a rat tail comb. I only use this comb really in the front section because if I use it in the back, if I try to get the back really neat, it's gonna set me back like another 30 minutes because I'm a really big perfectionist, and it also hurts my arms just trying to like use a mirror and see how the back is looking while also trying to simultaneously try and part. Absolutely not. I'm not doing that today. You guys can, but I'm not. But anyways, let's get started. Okay, so as I said before, I've already blow dried my hair last night, so that's why it's in twists. I never take them out of twists when I'm about to part my hair because I don't like to pin a big bulk of hair as I'm going along, if that makes sense. So anyways, I'm gonna start on the back. So if I turn to the side here, how I'm gonna divide up the parts is in 3 main big sections. So I'm going to where the tip of my ear is, I'm gonna part all around to the other part, to the other tip of my other ear. So that's gonna be the first section down here. Then the second section is going to be from here all around back to the other tip of my ear again. And then I'm gonna have 2 front sections right here. That was just a summary, so let's get started with the back section. So I'm gonna take my thumbs and line them up with the tips of my ears and part them through my hair until they meet in the middle. And I'm going to repeat that same action until it feels straight enough. You're more than welcome to check with a mirror. So now for parting the rows, first you're going to split this section down the middle. Then you're going to split the left section in half. Then do the same to the right section and clean it up. Now to split into individual sections, I'm dividing this row into 3 and loosely twisting each section. Now these are finished and I will start the next row. With this row, I will split it into 4 sections and twist, giving the staggered or brick look. Okay, so now for the middle section, I'm going to locate the corner of the previous row on both sides of my head. Starting from one side, I'm going to part from the corner and up my head toward the middle and pin it out of the way. Now you're going to do the same procedure on the other side. Now you're going to repeat and clean it up until it feels straight enough. It should feel like a semicircle going around the top of your head. Here's what mine looks like. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done. So to make rows in the middle section, I'm going to split it down the middle like I did the lower section. Now I'm going to measure the distance of the part with my fingers to locate the middle and split the left section. Repeat for the right side and both parts should match up. Now split this section again down the middle and split the left and right. So this row will be divided into 5 pieces. The row above it will be divided into 4 pieces. After splitting the upper section in half, the next row will also have 4 sections and the last section will have 3. Okay, almost finished. So for the 2 front sections, they are separated by a middle part. I will take one side and split it in the middle. Then I will take the comb and straighten it out. Pin up that top section. Now split the leftover section in half as well and pin the upper section. So for this, I will split it in two and twist it up. The next row will have 3. Split the previously pinned section in half to make 2 rows. Split the lower row into 4 pieces and the upper row into 4 pieces as well. Repeat for the other side. Okay guys, so I finished all the twists, all the parts, and I'll tell you how I divided up the sections as far as how many is in each section. So the front left part is 13, the right side is 13 as well. So the whole front section is 26. The middle section is 14 in all, and then the bottom is just 7. So in all is 47 twists going on here. They're like medium parts, I want to say. And these will work well because I'm about to start on some Marley twists. So you guys can check out that video if you want. But otherwise, I hope this tutorial helped. And I hope you guys have an awesome day.